Fasten your seatbelts. Generative AI is accelerating the Edge Part 2. Real-world generative AI plus Edge AI scenarios. This EDGENOTE multi-part series is designed to educate, inform, and hopefully inspire. From an unbiased perspective, investments in new forms of generative AI plus Edge AI that are accelerating at an unprecedented rate. Let's get to some real-world scenarios where Edge AI combines with GenAI. Jim's washing machine. Jim sees a notification on his phone. His washing machine is trying to reach him. A high current draw pattern has been detected. This typically means that the washer has been overloaded repeatedly by Jim, and the heavy usage is wearing out the motor. This anomaly detection will help Jim do some preemptive maintenance, but what's the next step? In the notification, there is a link to start a chat session with a washing machine representative that is powered by generative AI. The representative can converse with Jim and set up an appointment for a motor swap at a substantial discount and with barely any downtime in Jim's busy household laundry cycle. Kathy's coat. Kathy has been dreaming about a long winter coat. Sort of dark gray with big puffy buttons and large collar. She heads to the web and uses generative AI to create the coat of her dreams. She even whips up a few images of her wearing the coat. She loads these images into her Poshmark app. Poshmark has tens of thousands of clothing items for sale, used, vintage, or just resold. Poshmark uses an AI model to match Kathy's dream coat with several real coats for sale on Poshmark in her size. Paul's family dinner. Imagine, if you will, getting off a busy workday. You haven't even begun to think about what's for dinner. Instead of contemplating over what to make and defaulting to a drive-through, generative AI helps you decide, becoming your personal shopping assistant. Knowing that Italian is your favorite cuisine, your AI assistant recommends a quick and easy bolognese recipe, provides a custom shopping list that includes exactly what items you'll need, and even tells you where in the store to find them. When you're in the store, you might be asking for alternative ingredients or other complex questions. In-store interactive AI customer service kiosks provide customers with the answers they're looking for, while helping retailers learn more about their customers to better serve them in the future. Laura's AI PC. Laura is in crunch time getting this paper done. Their boss has been breathing down their neck all week. They fire up their co-pilot agent, and while they are hacking away at the document, they ask it to go out and develop some content they can integrate that compares various wireless connectivity standards and their trend of adoption over the next 5 years, and where the company should place its bets and why. Meanwhile, Laura has their co-pilot agent read what they have written so far to give them editorial feedback and provide local illustrations on key points. Laura finishes up on a paper with great points for their strategy, as well as great footnotes to the source data. Pat's gig. Pat has finally landed a gig at the Yard Arm, a rundown watering hole with a great stage, a great sound system, and a great reputation. Unfortunately, the drummer has bailed again, and so it's going to be up to Pat and the rest of the band. The show must go on. They take the stage and call out the next tune, The Rover. The generative AI model running in the Edge drum machine thumps out the John Bonham intro, and they're off to the races. We will see generative AI models running on Edge equipment, especially some of the smaller, relative models coming out of research like Microsoft Phi, Google Gemini, and Meta's Llama 2. Subscribe for Part 3, AI on the Edge. Where is the friction?